Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade roux for gumbo. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need a good quality cooking oil or rendered fat and all-purpose flour. A roux is the foundation of a great gumbo, adding both thickness and a rich, nutty flavor. We'll explore the simple steps to transform these two basic items into a culinary masterpiece. Get ready to elevate your gumbo game with this essential technique. To begin, heat your chosen fat, such as vegetable oil or bacon grease, in a heavy-bottomed pot or cast-iron skillet over medium-low heat. Once warm, gradually whisk in an equal amount of all-purpose flour. For example, if you use 1 cup of oil, add 1 cup of flour. Stir constantly to create a smooth paste, ensuring no lumps form. This initial stage is crucial for a consistent roux. Now the magic happens. Keep stirring continuously, scraping the bottom and sides of the pot. You'll notice the roux slowly change color, moving from a pale blonde to peanut butter, then copper, and finally a rich, dark chocolate brown. This transformation develops the deep, complex flavors essential for gumbo. Patience is key here. Do not rush the process by increasing the heat too much. Once your roux reaches the desired dark brown color, remove it from the heat immediately to stop the cooking process. It will continue to darken slightly from residual heat. A perfect gumbo roux should have a deep, nutty aroma. Allow it to cool completely before transferring it to an airtight container. You can store this homemade roux in the refrigerator for several weeks, ready for your next delicious gumbo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.